Hi everyone! So it's a really beautiful day minus the rain that we just had. So I thought I would take a quick second to come out here and prune one of my mums. Anyways, it's just this tiny little pod. It's not like the fullest, but it's grown a lot this year. Anyways, I wanted to tell you, at the beginning of this week, I came out and I cut down this half. And you can already see that there are new buds coming in. It's gonna bloom again. And it is right now, it's October 19th. I live in Missouri, so we have kind of a long growing season. But anyways, I wanted to trim this down really fast so that we can hopefully get some more blooms before the end of the year. So really all I do, I have these little pruning shears and I literally just come over and like clip off anything that I don't want or that I want to encourage new growth. It's really pretty simple. You can't do it wrong. Some of these flowers are already like turning dead, so I'm literally just gonna come in here and cut them down. It's scary to use pruning. It's scary to cut off to try to propagate because you're so afraid of what if I kill it and it never comes back. But plants are designed to come back. This is what they're designed to do. And I mean, worst case scenario, buy a new plant, you know, you get to go plant shopping. Some of my favorite places to go shopping are plant shopping, of course, are some of my local nurseries. We have 54 Feed and Seed in town. They always have great stuff, good prices. I got a magnolia tree. I don't know if you guys can even see it. You can't really see it because it's next to another tree, but there's a little magnolia tree back there. I got it for 40% off this fall. Like, what? And it's great. It's gorgeous. It's rooting really well. I can tell it's healthy. It went through a little shock period, but the gals at the nursery really helped me out by encouraging me that it was all going to be okay because I've never done trees before. Anyways, I also like to go, this sounds weird, but Walmart, sometimes they have some pretty unique things. And I just like to walk through and just take a peek. Lowe's always has a couple good items. Home Depot does too. They never really go on sale. Like their house plants, really. I haven't found sales on them. But anyways, they end up, you know, being decent, and sometimes like if it's a great thing, I'll just buy it. End of season, they do have sales, which are always fantastic. Anyways, as you can see here, this was just a couple, like 2 minutes. I just came in and I mean, I snipped this side way down, but I want it to kind of catch up to these guys that are already growing. So that's all I did. And hopefully in another week or two here, I'll show you guys all the new blooms and it's gonna be beautiful. Okay, thank you. I hope you guys have a great day. If you haven't, subscribe, comment below on a video that you want me to do in the future. Okay, thanks, bye.